As a business owner, it can be crucial that your phone is always performing well. If you're like me, you're dependent upon phone access when you're away from your computer. If you find yourself not having a good signal or your data is running slowly, this can cause potential issues if you're waiting on an important phone call or need to send out an email. If you experience this situation, try these top tested ways to fix your mobile signal. Restart your phone or toggle airplane mode. Your phone is constantly searching for the best signal, so it can be easily confused at times. A simple way to fix this is switching to airplane mode, waiting 10 seconds, and then turning it off again. This makes your phone search for the best networks that are available again. You can also reboot your phone as well. Hold your phone in a different way. When you are holding your phone, it is possible that you are blocking its antenna with your hand. The best way to hold your phone is with 2 fingers so that you are blocking as little as possible on your device. Also, don't worry, phone cases shouldn't block cellular signals, but if you want to remove your case, it doesn't hurt to give it a try. Buy a new SIM card or clean yours. If you've been with a carrier for a while, your phone SIM card may not contain the data in order to connect to the latest network systems. It's possible it's also dirty or wearing out. Try to clean the metal surface with a disinfectant wipe or cotton swab with rubbing alcohol. If that doesn't work, contact your carrier for the latest model SIM card for your phone. Change your G. Some devices will grab a weaker signal just so it can get 5G to show in the status bar. This is a problem if you're relying on a better signal. 3G, 4G, and 5G have different properties and are generally run off of different towers. To ensure your phone isn't searching for 5G only, you'll need to access your phone's settings. If you own an iPhone, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data. Here you can choose between 5G on, 5G Auto, or LTE 4G. If you have an Android, you'll need to go to Settings to access a section called Connections or Wi-Fi and Internet. From here you can choose Mobile Network or SIM and Network. You should then have an option that allows you to select between 5G, 4G, 3G, or even 2G. Use Wi-Fi instead of cellular. It is possible that the best network for your phone might be using your own Wi-Fi. If you have a difficult time getting a good signal where you live, it might be best to improve your home Wi-Fi system. You could consider upgrading your home Wi-Fi with a mesh system, as this may be easier than trying to figure out how to get a better cellular signal at your location. Check your bands. Every few years, carriers add new frequencies, so if you have an old phone, it may not be able to connect to the newest ones. The best way to solve this problem is by checking your bands at your location by going to cellmapper.net, choose your carrier and location, and search for the newest towers. By clicking on the towers, you should receive the frequency bands you are hitting. From there, you can go to frequencycheck.com and see which bands operate on your specific phone model. Unfortunately, if those numbers don't match, then it may be time for a new phone. Purchase a cellular booster. Lastly, you can buy a network signal booster to improve your signal. However, this is the most expensive solution out of the 7. This device can run between $200 to $1,200, but it can make a huge difference. If you are still having issues, be sure to contact your service provider to see what options you have to improve your signal.